FS Plus flow sensors from Turck are engineered to meet the high demands of your applications. Intuitive programming with the ability to monitor flow and temperature, ensuring simple commissioning and maximum value. That makes the sensors ideal for use in automotive body-in-white production. The robot's welding clamps must be cooled to produce consistent, high-quality results and ensure protection against overheating. FS Plus sensors monitor the supply and return flow of the cooling medium. Once a threshold value is exceeded or undershot, the sensor issues a warning. Operators can thus forestall machine failure and reduce the downtime of welding robots. Plus, data exchange via I/O link is a great channel for preventive maintenance. Monitor liquid media reliably and trouble-free with FS Plus flow sensors from Turck.